Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, hi friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fun with Nami. Yay! So guys, I made this cake from banana with no mixer and no oven. If you guys want to know how to make this, just watch this video until the end. So guys, this is all the ingredients. First step, you smush the banana with a fork until it becomes like this. Take 6 spoons of sugar in a big bowl. Add 2 eggs in the bowl. And then add the vanilla essence. And then you mix it and mix it until you get tired. Mix it until it's become white and foamy. Then add the banana into the bowl. And mix it again. And then you wobble flour, salt, and baking soda into the bowl. And then you mix it again. While you're waiting for the mixing, don't forget to subscribe my channel. For the last, you put 6 spoons of oil. And then you mix it. Put a little bit oil in the baking pan. And then you spread the oil with a brush. And then you put the mixture into the baking pan. It's ready to steam for 30 minutes. Okay guys, so this is the results. You guys can put toppings in. So I'm putting this chocolate sauce. Try it. Gum. Slice. Gum. Gum. And gum. And gum. And you. Bum. You do ba. Bowl. You bowl. I will try it first. Okay. Go. Yummy. Yummy. So yummy. Good. Yeah.
Wow!
Okay guys, so that's all about this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with your family and friends. Bye!